do your thing. Ay. Fresh out the house, got the beat deep. As I ride up and down Martin Luther.
Dispatch, Echo 13. Yeah, I'm cleared out of the call. About to do a check here on a vehicle that just flew by me. Suspect vehicle is a white sports car. Speed's above the limit and increasing. Drivers take off. Show me code 3. I started quieter and I lost the vehicle.
Cover units be advised. Suspect was last seen eastbound past Diamond Park. I have a go to set up a containment. Switch call over to TAC 3.
Yo, let me see some heads nodding, fist pumping, feet stomping, shaking, necks breaking, earthquake. Let's move.
Yeah, dispatch, Charlie 4. I'm cleared out of the call. About to do a check on a vehicle that just flew by me. Dispatch, just been rammed. Code 3 is not stopping.
Copy that, go ahead.
There's nothing spacing this guy. I need backup.
Copy that, Charlie 4. Units have detailed and are en route. Supervisor monitoring and requesting sit rep.
Yeah, I'm right in the middle of it. Hold on. Lost the visual. Stand by, I might have lost him. Started quadrant. I lost the vehicle.
Units heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported heading eastbound on Highway 99. Containment is to include immediate area and everything west of his last known direction of travel. Wait out for further.
Never gonna stop trying to get it. Never turn my back on my city. Never let them.
Dispatch, just a second. Suspect is driving a white sports car, traveling way over the limit. This guy's shaking everything I throw at him. Requesting 1085 ASAP. Request 1085 ASAP.
Roger that, Charlie 2. Units have detailed and are en route.
on a block. Stand by. Let's go ahead and start a roadblock here. This guy's not going to go easy. Move on him now. You turn around on me. Head the other way. Let's let him clear the area. Negative. Stay in formation. Stay in formation. 1033. I need more backup. Give me everything you got.
10-4, Charlie 2. Detailing units now.
I lost sight of the vehicle. Hold on. I disregard my last. I have a visual. He's headed to the golf course. Looks like he's got no intention of stopping. We'll probably let's do a 1075 if I can get around it.
Be advised, suspect was last reported heading north near Forest Green Country Club. Supervisor confirms quadrant to be set up. Units to reference.
Hey man, that chump Sonny is looking for a run. He's still pretty fresh on the blacklist, so now's your chance. Don't blow it.
Fresh out the house, got the beat. As I ride up and down Martin Luther King Drive, standing tall, looking down. Boy snitching all day, I look around on the block.
I'm in a silver and sell 5 pound on the block. Ain't you ever seen a young player clown in the draw? Ain't nothing to it, spit fluently, gruesome. So me, is it more to me?
Money my Chevy earned, and Tuesday is over.
I wouldn't come around here. I watch folk pockets cause they ain't from around here. Man, stay with the strizzy cause I'm from around here. And not even the cops there to come around here. So if you hit the ambulance, ain't gon' come around here. Now you stuck, not even cabs, they don't run around here. If you hungry pizza man, he don't come around here. And I dare Jehovah's Witness to knock around here. Whips get stole, they never getting told around here. Stay in the news, but never nothing new around here. If you ain't never been to the ghetto, man, don't ever come to the ghetto, man. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good. My hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good. My hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good. My hood. I tell them everywhere, anywhere, fuck what's really good. My hood. I heard that there's a few reaper down there. I'm welfare, made it rent a little cheaper down there. Don't be slipping, you get put up and see what's down there for your bling. Even you two-way leaper down there. I got this bitch, she got a crib down there. I moved out, but I still get to live down there. You couldn't go down there to see a little down there. I did for you, baby, passing down there. I go down there, so don't go down there. And you go down there, you looking for trouble if and when you stroll down there. And you whip off that.